top cheap token that can turn $200 into $20,000 like Shiba Inu, SHIB, and PayPay Coin, PayPay. Both tokens produced impressive returns, transforming small amounts like $200 into life-altering quantities. Shiba Inu's, SHIB, stories and PayPay Coins, PayPay, have attracted investors. These coins are legendary examples of explosive development, as they took advantage of distinctive branding, community-driven buzz, and timely market placement. The hunt for the next cheap token with such promise gets more intense as the market changes and new candidates take the stage. Rexas Finance, RXS, is an upcoming star in the crypto field. It is already attracting interest for its creative approach and solid foundations. Unlike many meme coins that rely solely on hype, Rexas Finance seeks to bridge the gap between blockchain technology and actual assets. From real estate and artwork to commodities, this groundbreaking idea lets investors tokenize almost any physical item and quickly sell it on the blockchain. Rexas Finance, RXS, exceptional presale performance signals investor confidence. Rexas Finance's outstanding presale success already shows its market potential. Priced at $0.175 and now in stage 11, the presale exceeded expectations and raised almost $34.76 million. This astounding number captures investors' increasing faith in the token's capacity for exponential gains. The token's selling out ahead of time in stage 10 primarily highlights the great demand for RXS. Surprisingly, the team behind Rexas Finance has turned down venture capitalist funding proposals in favor of giving regular investors top priority. This choice complements the project's goal of establishing an inclusive financial ecosystem whereby people, not organizations, lead the change. Rexas Finance, RXS, predicted gains like SHIB and PayPay. Regarding growth potential, market analysts have ranked Rexas Finance among Shiba Inu and PayPay Coin. Projected to have a 100x increase ahead, RXS is forecasted to rise to an impressive $17.50 per token. Early adopters would find that a $200 investment may turn into $20,000, reflecting the incredible paths SHIB and PayPay have followed. Such forecasts are based on the cryptocurrency's unique value proposition and strong basics. While SHIB and PayPay mainly depended on community-driven momentum, RXS distinguishes itself by combining similar market excitement with practical use. Its price momentum has been further driven by its listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, which draws a more extensive investor base ready to profit from its expansion. Bridging blockchain and real-world assets. Rexas Finance's capacity to tokenize actual assets anywhere, at any moment, is among its most appealing features. This innovative ability allows consumers to transform usually illiquid assets into digital tokens for trade or value appreciation. Real land, intellectual property, and even rare collectibles, RXS lets users easily own, fractionalize, and profit from these assets. Rexas Finance is launching a fresh wave of financial inclusion by closing the long-standing disparity between blockchain and conventional markets. This invention makes an interesting investment and will drive broader blockchain technology applications in daily life. Rexas Finance presents a welcome change as meme coins and speculative tokens increasingly fill the market. It blends a strong foundation of invention and utility with the explosive expansion potential of tokens like SHIB and PayPay. This harmony guarantees that it will appeal to long-term holders searching for steady growth and speculative speculators chasing great returns. After its presale, which is almost over, Rexas Finance is expected to become a significant participant in the crypto market. It is a unique token in 2024 because of its creative use case, huge market demand, and possible exponential returns. Like SHIB and PayPay, The project's capacity to turn modest investments into significant returns will attract even more funding as it gains momentum. Rexas Finance strongly advocates early investment for individuals looking for the next great prospect in the crypto space. Early investment helps you ride the wave of growth that might equal or exceed the success of earlier breakout tokens. Final thoughts. Shiba Inu's and Pepe Coin's stories have proven that the cryptocurrency market rewards early adopters who can spot potential before the masses. Rexas Finance will be the next token capable of such a meteoric rise. With its innovative approach to tokenizing real-world assets and its pre-sale success already setting records, RXS is the top cheap token to watch.